In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from crypto.com to Onchain Wallet. Alright, so all you need to do is go into the crypto.com app, and then we're going to click on Accounts. Then you want to click on Crypto. Here in Crypto, you want to select your cryptocurrency. So let's just say USDT and click on that. And then you want to click on Transfer, hit Withdraw, and then you want to press on crypto.com on-chain, click Confirm and Withdraw. And then you want to choose your network. You want to choose the amount of USDT you want to send. And when you're done, where mine says insufficient balance, you will click Send. Now, from there, you will get a review of all the fees involved, and then you are free to send. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.